I'm going to go over some frequently asked questions about our cleaning mastermind group. First, what is a mastermind and how can it help you grow your cleaning business? First and foremost, it's about accountability and motivation. If you've been an entrepreneur for any length of time, you know that sometimes both of these things are non-existent. I've been an entrepreneur all of my adult working career, and I can vouch that yes, that is the case. So with this small mastermind group, the other members and myself are there to hold you accountable and to motivate you to help you achieve your goals. And really, it's all about helping you dominate your market fast. Money like speed, business like speed, and that's what we're there to do, to help you dominate your market. So a lot of what goes on is feedback from myself and other peers that are part of the mastermind to help you achieve your goal. So let's get into the nuts and bolts and the specifics about really the frequently asked questions that I've been getting lately about these groups. So how often do the groups meet? They meet every other week. What times do the groups meet? We have groups that meet during the day, and we have groups that meet in the evening. So we will put you in a group that is best after you fill out a form that I'm going to show you here in just a little bit. Will you work on marketing, or are you going to be working on management? We can work on both. It just depends on what you want to do and what you want to work on. What are the topics of the mastermind? There really are no specific topics. The topic is really about your goal. Every member picks a goal, and we help you track that goal and help you implement that goal. Once you achieve that goal, we can move on to another goal. One goal at a time, one goal accomplished, and then you move on to another goal. That works best. Everybody in the mastermind group helps you achieve that goal. So who leads the group? Yours truly. And you're going to get feedback from myself regularly, as well as other members of the group. How many are actually in a group? Usually 4 to 12 cleaning company owners or managers are inside of a group. And here's a question that I've been getting a lot. Is it really only $147 per month? Sometimes even my current coaching club members are going, oh, is it an extra $147? No. If you're actually part of the coaching club, that's it. So for a limited time, it's $147 a month. It's part of the coaching club. You also get all the other benefits of the coaching club. It's important to stress that other programs like this in our industry and outside of our industry usually start at $300 and go up because it's so time consuming for myself or the person managing the actual mastermind. I've been a part of masterminds that have cost me $1,200 a month for really the same similar type of mastermind program. So how do you actually join the mastermind? Just join the Ad Coaching Club. Really, that's it. Sign up. I'll put the link below this video. As long as you sign up and you're a current member, we'll actually let you in. You fill out a form and you get to be part of the coaching club. So this is the membership page. Scroll down to the bottom of this to sign up. And you can either pick the year membership or the month-to-month membership. If you pick month-to-month, there's no commitment, and you'll be part of the mastermind. All you have to do when you're inside of the coaching club website is fill out the tab in the menu at the top that says Mastermind Group Questionnaire, and that's it. We'll send you the information for when your time is meeting, and you'll be part of one of our group masterminds. It's important to stress that this is a very limited opportunity. I don't normally do this. I've had other masterminds before that I've charged an extra large fee to join for a very short time. We're doing these right now for the end of the year. Sign up now. Secure your spot and hop in. The groups are going to be closing soon. If you still see where it talks about the mastermind on the sign up page, then it's still open. Don't email and ask, because the answer is yes. If it still says that you can actually join the mastermind there in the sign up page that's on the link below this video, you'll be able to get in. Once you don't see that anymore, then the groups are closed and you won't be able to be part of one of the group masterminds as a free part of the coaching club. Your success in the cleaning business is just one conversation away. That camaraderie, that group meeting, one of the masterminds that we actually met with, I actually figured out that there's over 100 years of cleaning owner and management experience in one of those masterminds. You can feed off of that experience and my experience and help to grow your cleaning business. As well, when you click on the link below, there's lots of other free bonuses that are part of the coaching club. So check those out too. We'd love to see you and have you part of one of our group masterminds.